Hey, so we've been going through these tables, and I wanted to show you guys a different code. This is called Python. It's just a different language, but it works very similar to JavaScript. But one thing that's cool about this is it's kind of like a Google Doc. Like I could just click on and add whoever I want to work on my code with. Um, I'll change this so you guys can view it. But basically, what I did was the same thing we've been doing in class. So I have this big data sheet of Pokemon values. Um, and there's a lot we can do with this numbers. Like these numbers, they're cool. It's like the attack points, defense points. Um, so I created arrays from those tables after importing them. And then I just iterated and selected through them like you guys have already been doing. Um, and then I plotted it. And you can kind of see the result. I just wanted to see which one had the most Pokemon over 100. I only did the first three types, grass, fire, and normal. But if you want to do more, you would just have to make some more empty arrays and do some more selection in here. So I'll share this with you guys. That's not what I wanted to do. But thank you.